Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel today. My name is Osetale. If you are new here, this is the first time you are coming across any of our videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. In this channel, I share tutorial videos on how to cut and sew. But today, I'm not going to be sharing tutorial video. Today is not going to be all about tutorial video. It's going to be about something very, very special. And I know a lot of you already know from the thumbnail and the description of this video what this video is going to be all about. So this video is going to be all about me unboxing our award. Yes, guys, it finally came. So about 1 month ago we hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. Yes, 100,000 family, and YouTube sent me this beautiful plaque for that achievement, which wouldn't have been possible without you guys. Come on. So I'm here to say a very, very big thank you to 110. I think we're over 110 right now. I really don't know what the number is. I know we are over 100,000. So I'm here to say a very big thank you to all of you guys. So I'm going to be, unboxing this. I'll just maybe probably position my camera in a way that you guys will see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to unbox it and we're going to see what is inside together. Okay, so guys, let's unbox it. You can see I already have my knife. I'm just going to cut the sellotape. I don't know if you guys can see me. I really hope this thing is clear enough. So just cut it like this and this other side. Okay, then here, okay, there's also stuff here. Okay, now it's open, guys. Okay, just take this out. Ooh, okay, guys, you can see. So this is just like a foam. Oh my god, look at the little card. Don't worry, I'm going to read what's inside. You can see. And look at our award. Oh my god, look at the plaque. Oh my goodness. Can you see, guys? Wow, this is so beautiful. Can you see the name is written on it? Stitches by Tale. Can you see? Oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. Now let's read what is here. Let's read what's on the card. So let's start with the smaller one. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during ship, okay, this is just basically, like, a card showing if something happened, blah, blah, blah. So I think here is where the message is. So guys, here's where the message is. Now let me read what is written here. It said, do you remember your first subscriber? Yes, I remember. I think I was my first subscriber because I created the YouTube channel and I used another email to log in and I subscribed to my channel. So I was my first subscriber. Oh my goodness. This is so amazing. So let me start from the beginning. It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you will definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. Your fan may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recognized video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you have built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creators Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do in the we can't wait to see what you will do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? I'm so grateful and I will forever remain grateful, guys. Thank you so, so much. So there's even another card. I didn't even see this. So there's another card. So this is just like Okay, this is not something really, really important. So let me just place this aside and bring the mayday. So guys, can you see, guys? I hope you guys can really see this thing because I can't see whether it's actually showing or not. Stitches by Tale. Yes. So guys, that is it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much for all the love and the support that you've been showing me from day one. And I'm so excited that I got the opportunity to do this with you guys, because sometimes like it's crazy. It's so difficult to create content. Then after filming, you have to edit, you have to do all of that. Like it's a lot, but the fact that you guys, always comment, always watch my videos and all of that, that is the only thing that have actually kept me going all this while. And guys, I'm here to say a very big thank you for that. Okay, so this wraps up the unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Obviously going to be a tutorial video. All right guys, bye. Been trying